Hey guys, welcome back to 2FX. If you need a quick break from Metro Manila, we've found the perfect getaway right here at the Bayleaf Cavite. Keep watching because we will be giving you a full tour of this beautiful destination located right in the heart of the city of General Trias. To get here, driving down from Manila is incredibly easy via Cavitex and passing through Antero Soriano Highway. Expect to be on the road for about an hour or so depending on traffic. Commuting is also an option with direct buses dropping you off nearby. As soon as you arrive, the building's striking modern exterior catches your eye. It definitely promises a high-end, luxurious experience before you even step inside. Walking into the main reception, the first thing you notice is the massive space. The high ceilings and natural light creates a grand and welcoming atmosphere. The mix of polished marble and warm wood accents give it such a premium feel. Plus those floor-to-ceiling glass walls flood the whole space with views of the greenery outside. It's a great spot to start the tour. They've got this beautifully designed lunch area and a chic coffee shop nearby. These parts perfectly balances a sophisticated hotel look with a cozy and laid-back vibe for waiting guests. The coffee shop Yocolato is a must visit. They got some seriously good artisan coffee and cakes that looks almost too pretty to eat. It's the perfect little corner to chill and refuel after that drive from Manila. Getting a room key was quick and seamless thanks to the incredibly accommodating front desk team. Let's keep moving and see what else this place has waiting. Now let's check out our accommodation. This is the Deluxe Twin. At 35 square meters, it's remarkably roomy, giving us plenty of space to move around without bumping into luggage. I love the aesthetics here. It's very clean and contemporary. You'll get this beautiful wood finishes and a neutral palette that makes the whole room feel incredibly calm and upscale. The beds are plush and supportive with high thread count linens. Whether you're here for work or relax, the sleep quality is definitely a priority in this setup. The room has a solid desk for productivity, fast Wi-Fi, and all the staples like a digital safe, cable TV, and your morning coffee kit ready to go. The bathroom keeps the modern energy going. It's got a great walk-in shower, excellent pressure, and they provide a full set of quality toiletries so you can pack a bit lighter. Price-wise, you're looking at roughly 4,600 pesos per night. For the level of comfort and location, it's easily one of the most competitive rates in the Cavite area. Now let's explore the dining experience here at the Bayleaf. Stepping into the main restaurant, you are immediately greeted by a beautifully designed contemporary space filled with natural light. The atmosphere effortlessly balances modern sophistication with a warm, welcoming charm. It sets a wonderfully calm tone, making it the ideal environment to enjoy a relaxed morning meal. The highlight of the morning is undoubtedly their breakfast buffet. The spread features an impressive selection of local Filipino favorites, fresh pastries, fruits, and custom live cooking stations. This experience is typically complimentary with your room booking. Otherwise, walk-in diners can enjoy the full breakfast buffet for around 850 pesos for adults and 425 pesos for children. Every dish is beautifully presented and consistently fresh, from the savory local specialties to the sweet breakfast treats. The flavors are excellent and catered perfectly for every palate. The exceptional service truly elevates the meal, thanks to a staff that is remarkably professional, polite, and attentive. It is an absolute must-try experience during your stay. One of the things we always look forward to is the pool. Just look at this pool area. It's easily the crown jewel of this entire hotel. I love the minimalist geometric design here. The contrast of the blue water against the warm building facade is a total mood. It's an absolute dream for your Instagram feed. The main lap pool is a solid 25 meters long, so you can actually get some laps in. It stays at a comfortable 4-foot depth, making it perfect for both exercise and lounging. There is also a dedicated shallow section for kids. It's safely tucked on the side so the little ones can splash around while you relax nearby. Check out the pool bar right at the water's edge. Whether you need fresh mango shake or a sunset cocktail, the vibes here are 10 out of 10. It's the ultimate spot to chill. Just a few steps away is the sunken garden. It's this manicured hidden green space that feels like a private oasis. It's the perfect spot for a quiet morning stroll. This spot is also a go-to for outdoor weddings and events. The architecture surrounding the garden makes it feel incredibly exclusive and intimate. Such a cool design choice. Reflecting on the trip, from the modern rooms to the amazing breakfast, the Bayleaf offers that premium cityscape feel in the heart of Cavite. If you need a quick break from the Manila hustle without a long drive, this is your spot. Great service, clean facilities, and a very relaxing atmosphere overall. So that's it for our Bayleaf tour. Like and subscribe to 2FX and hit that bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.